Okay, guys, welcome. Today we will work on this page tree accounting software. First, we have to create a company, and then we will go through it. So let's create a fictitious company named ABC Trading, based in UAE, and after that. We will do some transaction one by one. So let's start from here. If you see here, create a new company. So whenever you're creating a company, you will be asked about a company name and address, the business type, which type of business you want, like proprietorship or partnership, etc. Then you ask about accounting methods like cash method or accrual. Cash means that uh, when you do a sale, then you get a cash and then you just enter it. Accrual is not like that. Then accounting periods and then fiscal year. Okay, these things you'll ask and we will put it. Okay, here let me start. Enter your company information. So we have a company and that is ABC. Fine. And then let's say asking about address. So I will put 123 main. Okay, wait, main street, Dubai. Wait, Dubai, UAE. Okay, fine. Then just put okay, the another address is asking about another address. Forget about that. Don't need that one. The country is UAE, and then telephone. Let's okay, put like +971. This is the code. 4123 457, like this. You can put in numbers. Then it's also asking about facts. So this one also forget. Okay, here if you see here, this is a business type. So we have corporation, S corporation, partnership, sole proprietorship, limited liability company, and exempt organization. So let's say we're talking about a limited liability company, and this is federal employer ID, which is nine 9-digit number. This is for the US if you're working there. Okay, you jump here and this is asking about website. Okay, so if we see here, if you this here you put your address, and let's say here if we put some email, so that will help us later. And let me put it at the rate abctrading.com. Limited liability company. Okay, fine. Okay, we have done this. Let's move on to the next step. Here, select a method to create your company. So use a simple business type that closely match your company. Okay, most companies choose this. Is copy setting from existing. This we don't talk about this. We have to just here use a simple business type that closely match your company. This is our company method. You have to, okay, here we have a trading company. If you see here, you look at here, this is the construction. You see, select a business type. So each business type has a recommended chart of accounts, which is list of categories to which you assign transaction. Accountants sometimes refer to the chart of account as the general ledger. So you can call also general ledger. So a chart of accounts, you can use the default chart of accounts provided by the peachtree or customize it to suit your business needs. Clear? Now here is a type of business, like you have construction company, then you just click this one. You have different chart of accounts. There's some variation. If you're a distributor, manufacturing companies, non-profit companies, and retail companies, service company. Okay, these are the type of business. Detailed types like accounting agency, advertising, architecture, auction gallery, and so on, like this. Okay, You see here, these all sort of the business types if you want. Okay, so we will here, let's say we have a retail company, okay, and then we will move to the next. Okay, here if you see, choose an accounting methods. You have two types of accounting methods. The first one is accrual based. This is a method in which income is recorded when the sale occur, regardless of when you actually receive the money or not. So means when you do a transaction, when you do sale or purchase, then you will record that transaction, whether you pay for the purchases or not, whether you received the money for the sale or not. So here you will only concern with the transaction or with the transaction occur. So when the transaction occur, you have to record the transaction on that time, regardless of the actual payment or receiving. And if you see here, it has been written here, income is recorded when a sale occur, regardless of when you actually receive the money. Expenses are recorded when you receive goods or services, even though you may not pay the bill for them until a later date. Another concept is cash concept, which is opposite of the accrual concept. It means that income is recorded when you receive the money. You will record only the money when you receive. Let's say you do some sale, then you will record that sale when you receive the money. And if you purchase, then you will only record that purchase when you pay for that purchases. So expenses are recorded when you pay the bill. Income are recorded when you receive the money, and expenses are recorded when you pay the bills. So the ability to track retainage is not available for the cash accounting method. So this cannot be changed. So once you have selected these one of these methods, then this cannot be changed after your company is created. So most of the companies choose accrual concept because you will have payable, you will also have receivable, and it's not possible that when you do transaction then you get a money on that time, and if you don't receive the money, sometimes you have to do sale and then you receive the money after 1 year, so you will forget that to record. So the purpose is you have to record the transaction on the time when it occur, regardless of the money received or pay. Okay, fine. Let's move to the next step. Here you have choose the posting methods. You have two methods. Posting is the process of recording a transaction on your company books, and this is the accounting concept. What does it mean? Posting. Choose the posting method. So when you have to post the transaction, and posting is the process of recording the transaction. What does it mean? What does it mean by posting methods? It means that recording the transaction on your company books. So we have two methods, real times and batch. Real times mean that each transaction is posted as it enter and sell. So most companies choose this method. Okay, and another one is transaction or sale. They are just club, and after that you are record or posting in the book. So means the real time is most company choose the real time because each transaction is posted is it enter and sell, and you can change the posting method at any time. So there we have a flexibility that you can change this method later on once a company is created. So in the first one there was no choice. You have once selected, then after that you will not be able to change, but posting method can be changed later on. Now let's talk about the choosing accounting period structure. So accounting period are units of time that divide your fiscal year for reporting purposes. So most of the company choose 12-month accounting period for a year. Accounting period that do not match the calendar months, so you can choose this one. So most of the time it starts from Jan to the December. Most of the company choose this method. So accounting periods are what does it mean by accounting periods? Accounting periods are the unit of time that divide your fiscal year for reporting purpose. Now let's say we are starting from the first, because most of the company using the calendar methods, and calendar method is starting from 1st Jan to 31st December. And fiscal year is your accounting year defined by when you open and close the book. So fiscal year means the year in which you open your books and close the books. So most companies start their fiscal year in January, and companies with a more seasonal businesses may choose to start their year. So if you have a seasonal business, like you are working in winter, or you may working on summer, then you can change this fiscal year. But most of the company using the Jan to December. Okay, this cannot be changed after your company is created. So this is also not possible for you to change after creating the company. So you have two things you have studied that cannot be changed. So you be careful about it. The first one is your accounting methods cannot be changed after you creating the company. The second thing which you cannot be changed is the fiscal year. So once you selected this fiscal year, you will not be able to change it later on. Now let's move on. You are ready to create your company. Okay, fine. After you click finish, your company data file will be created, and after that you will see the setup guide, which will help you to enter your first record into peachtree. Okay, fine, let's finish it, and we are going to create a company. You see the creating data files, and once you created this file, and after that we will talk about more and more, and we will do some transaction later in the next video. So for today, this is enough. Okay, now the company has been created. You see ABC company is a company name, and we'll do some sale transaction and then purchase transaction one by one, and then we have to study the peachtree properly. Clear? Okay, good. You see opening ABC company is now opening. Okay, this is our company. This is our company. Wait here. Okay, now you see here we have a customer, we have jobs, sale tags, codes, and proposal, sale order, and this is the sequence you have to follow. First you have to do some quotation, then sale, you get a sale order, then you will make a sale invoice, then financial, receive money, bank, and blah blah blah. Okay, fine. And this is about vendor and purchase. So when you're getting purchasing something, then you have to be clear that when you're purchasing something from supplier, then you also enter this. So all these things we will do one by one. So for today, there is all enough. Thank you.